if you look, I mean, you can see the movement here. Open your fingers up, right? Slide your fingers right onto her cranium, okay? And then all you're gonna do is grab. Literally, you're just gonna take your fingers, put it on her cranium, slide your fingers through her hair, and make a fist. Hi, how is that? Okay, so you're gonna hold. You hold for about 8 counts. So I'm just giving a slight pull. So now my fingers are not touching her cranium.
It's frustrating because it doesn't matter how lightly I grasp, how deep, I try to do the comb method. I'm constantly pulling hair and I feel my hair getting pulled when it's done to me. Like I can hear things snapping.
Well,
comfortable.
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, you are pulling their hair. Yeah, but it's very effective. It's really, really effective. Supine bolster. So just kind of feel your patient's scalp to see how pliable and movable it is.